Hey, good morning. Sorry, just practicing my golf game. Welcome to another featured property brought to you by Amado Romero and Carolynn Castillo from eXp Realty. This home is completely renovated from top to bottom. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This house also sits on what's called a builder's acre. Take a look of all the land that this property has to offer. So imagine what you can do with all that extra land. You could actually build another home back there. Sky's the limit. And yes, this home also comes with a putting green. Now, wait until you see the inside of the house. Let's go take a tour. So before we go inside the house, I wanted to show you the outside. I wanted to show you the amount of parking space that this house has to offer. The driveway has been completely repaved. You could fit about 10-15 cars. So when you have your first housewarming party, you're not gonna have any issues having parking these cars. Now, I want to take you on the inside of the house here real quickly, but before I do, I also want to just kind of show you all the landscaping this house has to offer. In the front, you have palm trees everywhere to the left of me and the right of me. What's also cool about this house is one of the most important features I think every homeowner should have in their home, okay? You know that South Florida is known for the hurricanes. What's cool about this house is that this home has impact windows installed throughout the entire house, impact doors, and you also have an impact sliding door, which I'll show you in just a moment. Now, you see this little area right here? You have a little area where you can actually put a little patio furniture. You can sit here with your husband, your wife, drink some coffee, and you can just watch the horses trot around. Let's go inside. Now, once again, this house features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Now, what's cool about this house is one of my favorite parts is the marble flooring. This is marble flooring. It's 24 by 24 inch tile, and it's installed throughout the entire house. What's cool about marble flooring is that it keeps the house cool. You also have all of this recessed lighting. You have about over 50 recessed lightings throughout the entire house, which is amazing. Let's go check out the first bedroom. This bedroom here that I'm about to show you also, again, has marble flooring throughout the whole house. By the way, the marble is called botticino. That's what it's called, imported from Italy, by the way. So this room right here, you have the impact sliding windows. You have a brand new windowsill, and you have the recessed lighting as well. And it's been painted throughout, brand new paint throughout the whole entire room. Let's go check out the other room. Here you go. This room right here has the windows on both sides, so you have that natural light that comes in, and of course the recessed lighting with the beautiful marble floor to keep your room nice and cool. Let's go check out the master bedroom and the master bathroom. As you can see, this master bedroom has windows on both sides. Of course, impacts the new window sills, the recessed lighting. You have your closet right there, and this bathroom here is beautiful. This bathroom has been totally renovated. You have the chocolate cabinetry. You have the glass shower door right here. You have the beautiful rainforest shower head. And ladies, check this out. I know you're gonna love this. You can never have enough shelf space for your hair products, right? Right there. Gentlemen, you too, you know what I'm talking about. And you also have this beautiful countertop. You have an impact window located right here in the right of me. Let's go check out the other bathroom. The other bathroom is also a really nice bathroom. It's located right here in the hallway. Really important to point out. Check this out. This bathroom here is beautiful, nice and white. You got the beautiful shower head right there, give you that whole rainforest effect. And of course, you have all that shelving space for your shampoo bottles, men, your shaving cream, your razors, or the kids' toys. All right, let's go check out the kitchen. Now the kitchen is my favorite spot of the house. As you can see, I love to eat, and people that know me, they know I love to eat, so check this out. This kitchen is to die for. So right now, the styles is all white kitchen cabinetry. That's what everybody's asking for. Well, guess what? This kitchen features nothing but white kitchen cabinetry. Okay, check it out. Boom. You have a little wine bottle rack right here. You also have a little wine glass holder right here. You can just slide your wine glasses. And you have a little mini fridge right here. Now, what's cool about this kitchen also is that this kitchen countertop is quartz. Quartz is a great choice for kitchen countertops because one, it's low maintenance. Number two, it's really highly durable. But my favorite feature of this whole kitchen is this piece of stone right here. Do you know what this stone is? That's right, it's marble. This is a marble kitchen countertop, okay? It's 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. It's an amazing piece of stone right here. Now, you also have one of the features here where you have this window that's actually, you can view the pool, you can watch the kids play while you're washing dishes, while you're cooking. Impacting. And of course, you also have this beautiful glass tile backsplash throughout the whole entire kitchen. You also have the brand new Samsung refrigerator. That's right, you get to unwrap it. Now let's go check out the bonus room and the 4th bedroom. Now, this bonus room right here, okay, you could actually make this or turn this into a home office. If you have a bunch of little kids running around, you can actually make this for a little play area for the kids. Now here in this closet right behind me is where you can actually install the washer and dryer. Here you go. So this is the washer and dryer closet. You have your outlet for your dryer, and of course you have your connections for your washer and dryer, your hot and cold water. Let's go check out the last bedroom. So here you go, this is the 4th and final bedroom. As you can see, you have the impact windows, you have the natural lighting that comes on here, you got the recessed lighting. Oh man, this is such a great spacious bedroom right here. This will be my bedroom because it's located right by the kitchen. But go ahead, let's go check out the backyard. You guys are gonna love this. Now this backyard, okay, it features a heated swimming pool. I know people, you heard me right, it's a heated swimming pool. So you have your options. When it gets cold in the winter, you throw on the switch, you can heat up your pool. You also have a little area right here where you have your little mini fridge. You also have a little countertop, so you know when you're prepping food, you can go ahead and you have your prep right here, your prep station. And when you're done, you can wash your dishes right there. Now, this pool here is a beautiful pool. As you can see, it's been totally renovated, okay? Now, once again, this house is located in the beautiful Southwest Ranches. And I keep saying that because I love this little area right here. I love where this house is located. I love the amount of land this house has to offer. I mean, this house has so much to offer. It has a little putty green that I mentioned to you. I mean, it's just so much this land has to offer. Now, I want to show you the land one more time, just so you guys can have an idea of what this is all about. Look at all this land that this house has to offer. Look at this. Again, this house sits on a builder's acre, okay? You could build another home here if you choose to. It's such a beautiful piece of land. It comes with a putting green. I mean, it has also a little shed back there for your tools and your lawnmower machine. And once again, this house is located in the beautiful Southwest Ranches. So now that you saw this backyard, like I mentioned to you, also offers mango trees, coconut trees, avocado trees, and that's right, even a pecan tree, located in the Southwest Ranches. Gotta watch my step there. Now, this house again, located in the city of Davie, Southwest Ranches area, features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. If you're interested in purchasing this home, if you're interested, just please reach out to us. All our information is right here at the bottom. Now, once again, I just want to make sure you guys understand. If you're looking to buy, sell, or even investment property, you can reach out to myself, Amado Romero, or Carolynn Castillo. All of our contact information is right here at the bottom. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.